Hello and welcome. So, given that the center of a certain circle is 13, comma negative 12, and the diameter is 26, write the equation for the circle. So, this one's not too bad. First thing you've got to know is the equation of a circle, general equation, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals your radius squared. Alright, now knowing that is helpful because if we know that the center is always the h comma k, which it is, then we already know 2/3 of all the stuff we gotta find, right? Because the center, we're told, is 13 comma negative 12. That means that your h is 13, your k negative 12. So right then and there, we know we have x minus your h, 13, plus our y minus the k, negative 12, equals your radius squared. And then simplify this up, guys. What is minusing a negative? What is that equivalent to? That's addition, right? So you could just write y plus 12 instead. All right, and then from there, you need to find the radius. Well, we're given something really important here, and that's a diameter. You have a diameter of 26, which means what would your radius be? Well, a diameter and a radius, let's talk about those really quick. So inside of a circle, a diameter is a chord, essentially, that runs from one side of the circle through the center to the other side of the circle. Okay, that is a diameter. Now, a radius is only part of the diameter. It's only the part from the center to the circumference, to the outside. So if that small section's a radius and the diameter is the whole shebang, if we know the whole thing is 26, then what's the relationship? Well, the radius is half of the diameter, which means that the whole thing is 26. The radius is 13. Okay? That means if your r is 13, well, if we just want to get our r squared, square both sides. 13 squared, 169. Which means that your final equation is x minus 13 squared plus y plus 12 squared equals 169. And that's it. You're done. There's nothing more to do there. Thanks for watching.